today we want to continue from previous lesson. So we are going to consider some functions today. So stay tuned. This is what we have today. You have to mesh the cells first. So you have to increase the font size. So what we are handling today is some functions. We're going to handle up to 5 of them today. So alright, so number 1 in our list is the main one, sum. So sum in another word is simply means addition. Sum is just addition. Sum simply means addition. So for instance, if you are given 2 and 3, it's just the same thing as 2 plus 3, which is equals to 5. So the formula is just equals to sum, bracket open. We are looking at the cell's address. So in this case, the cell address of these two is F8 is to G8, and you close your bracket, hit the enter, is gonna give you 5. Now why we are using the cell address, in case any of these figures is changed, like now if I change this 2 to 7, automatically the answer have changed. I change this 3 to 4, automatically the answer have changed. I don't need to type in, do any correction again to the answer. So for instance, we have a series of numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and maybe 1. To sum them up is simple, equals to sum, bracket open. Now the first address here is what? We are still in F2, so automatically if you click F, the address is gonna add automatically. So F9 is 2, and click here F11, and what automatically you close your bracket and enter. So the sum of these numbers between 2 to 1 is 18. So we can count it together. We have here 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, plus 1, that gives you 18. So that is what we have for sum. So we can equally add higher numbers. Maybe higher numbers can equally be added to it. So we have a series of number here, let's say equals to sum, bracket open. The cell address for the first one is I10 is to the same I15, I15. Close your bracket and strike enter. So if you add these series numbers, you're gonna have an answer which is 105. So that is it for sum. Sum simple means addition. Addition. So we have other part of sum. So now if we are given, like for instance, a series of numbers like this, and you are asked to add between this and this, exclusive of this one. So the formula we use is simple here. So we are only going to add for the first one, we will drag and we will get the answer for the rest. So for the first one, equals to sum, bracket open. The first cell address is this G10 is to. Now we are not using is to again, we are using comma I10. You close your bracket, so automatically now 2 plus 20 is 24. So in order not to calculate the rest of them, we just drag it down. 23 plus 105 gives you 128. So as you can see, all of them is being calculated. So that is a good thing about using Excel's formula. So we are done for the sum function. Let's go to the next one for today, which is sum if. So the next thing we are handling now is sum if function. Now let's do a little explanation. For instance, we have 2, 1, 3, 4, 7, maybe 9, 4, 3, 1, 5, and then 2. Now, sum if is used to calculate a specific range of numbers. Yeah, you calculate only specific range of numbers. So for instance, in this series or sequence of numbers, if we want to add only 2, yeah, we use the formula sum if. So for instance, now let's add only 2. We use the formula equals to sum if bracket open. Now the first thing is the range, which is E. Cell address is E. The first one is 25 is 2. The last number in the range is what? E 35. Bracket open, bracket close. We are adding only 2. We close our bracket, enter. So from here now you can see we have only two terms, which is this and this. Now if you now change this to another 2, you see that the answer here have changed to 6. If you change this 2 now to maybe 3, the answer here will return back to 4. We change this 3 to 2, it will return back to 6. So sum if only add up only a range of numbers that you select. So this is a formula equals to sum if the range of the number and the criteria you want, which is the specific number you want to add up. Let's do another example. Another example of sum if functions. Let's say we have a range of number 3, 4, 12, 22, 11, 33, 22, 15, 33, 44, 33, 12, and then 5. So now if you want to calculate how many 33 are here, so just simple equals to sum if bracket open. The first cell address is H25 is 2. The last cell address is still H87. We do comma. Which number are we looking at? Let's say 33. You close your bracket, straight enter. So we have 99 here. 99 divided by 3 is 3. So automatically here, 33 appears 3 times, which is 1, 2, and 3. That is for sum if. So sum is simple addition, and then sum if is used to add a specific range of numbers in a series, a specific range of numbers in a series. Alright, so let's save our work. Let's save it as sum functions.